Did I not answer all his questions?
No.
Did he answer my questions?
No.
No. One of the most famous Hindu preacher in the world, Shri Ravi Shankar. Many people call him God.
But sir, how about Sadguru? I guess he destroyed some of your points, I guess. Sadguru from the
Okay.
Foundation.
Arrange for a dialogue, I will debate him. You arrange, I will debate him. Sadguru is a famous person, ask him. I will debate him. There are some people who have taken his speeches and given answers. Some people, not himself. If he wants, let him arrange. No problem, I will debate him. Okay? Because I know he's famous. Any famous personality, if he wants to debate, I don't want to debate him. He wants to debate me, open, any topic. Any topic on comparative religion. Hinduism and Islam, no problem. Okay? I'm welcome. And if he points out anything in my speech, which I have said, which is out of context, or which is not as per the Hindu scripture, I'll apologize. I will give him from where I got. All my research are not from non-Hindu scholars, from Hindu scholars. I give the reference. So most of the speakers say, yes, Zakir is right, but. Then the but comes. Many Hindus say, when you hear your speech, in 2 hours I've learned what I have not learned in 40 years of my life. Because in my speech I give references. Did Shri Ravi Shankar give any references in his speech? Even one reference he gave. Did he give a single reference, brother?
No.
In my speech, how many references were there? So who's more authentic, a person who gives a reference, or a person doesn't give reference? He could have kept a chit. There's no objection. In a debate, you can have notes in front of you, right or wrong. I don't have notes. He can have notes. Ask if Shri Ravi Shankar will have a second debate with me. Will he have? Even if you give him $1 million, he will not have.
I guess he will. But if he doesn't debate you, I'm sure one day I will. Yeah.
Most welcome. The day you can get 20,000 people for your audience, I will debate you.
Cool.
Now what you can do, question answer. Did I answer your question or not?
Yeah, you did. Thank you.
Very satisfactorily?
Yes.
I'm very happy. Thank you for accepting it. And may Allah guide you. And I'll pray for you that you come to the truth, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes, you're most welcome.